Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. On today's video, I am in collaboration with the paper Treasury, which is Ara. I'm sure you guys know who she is. She's funny as heck. She makes the cutest embellishments. I'll have all her info, including her video, linked down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, whether it's with your family, with your loved ones, your husband, your wife, your kids. Valentine's Day is not just a couple holiday, it's for love in general, loving each other, loving your friends. So I hope you have a great day. And yeah, today's video, we decided to collab on a video sharing Valentine's Day cards, one for her hubby and one for my wifey. So we're showing one card that we created for our partners, and I thought that would be a fun video to share, especially today. And before I show you the card, I wanted to show you guys what I used to create it. I think that Ara used La La Love by Crepe Paper. I chose to use the Pebbles Loves Me collection because my wife loves sloths and I've been dying to play with this collection, so why not give me a reason? So let me show you guys a little bit of the stuff that I used. Of course, I used the puffy stickers. I used the paper. As you can see, I used one of the cutter parts as well. You guys saw me haul this collection a few days ago. One second. I dropped something. Got some puffy hearts here. And then we have, I didn't use, this doesn't belong here. I don't think I used any of these, but this also comes to the collection. I did use the thickers. And then I used these envelopes, which I found in my stash. I'm not sure if I got these in a D stash, but there's some pretty envelopes from Hallmark and they have like the gold interior, so I love these. I have a whole stack of them. I used to use them to make flip books, so I have that. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I used. And I used my ATG gun and foam tape and stuff. This is just little ephemera pieces to this collection, you guys. It's so cute. Look at the little sloth. I made a very simple card. I didn't want to go like crazy in on the card. But let me just show you guys basically what it's like set up as. It's basically an envelope, and then I did the like 5x7. You can choose to do it white or red. You'll see that I did white for my wife. And then just get like a paper and do as many layers as you want. It all depends on how you want it. And this is the card that I created for her. So it has the little sloth, which is supposed to be me. It has a little bow. And then I did 3 layers. So I did the base, and then I have another little layer right here, and then one on top. And they're all like propped up with foam. And then I just put the little cutter part right in the middle. So you basically have 4 layers, because you have the base, and then you have this one in the middle right here, then this one, and then of course the cutter part. And it says, "You have my heart." And then I just added like an enamel dot to the flower, a foam heart, and then this little puffy sticker. And I love it because I feel like it's not super girly, but it's a little girly, but not that much. And she loves the sloth, so I think that it's so cute. I did do a little bit of it like ink staining with the pink that I like to do around this little layer right here. And then I used a white card, and then when you open it up, I just put that in the middle, and it says, "Be my Valentine." So I figured I'd write up here, and it just has like a little heart. So cute. I don't even know if I have any like stamps with Valentine's Day sentiments, so I decided just to do that and put a little piece of ephemera in the middle and asking her to be my Valentine. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that she asked me with a huge balloon and flowers, tulips, and yeah, it was super sweet, so cute. So I made this card for her. And then I also decorated the envelope, and this is what the envelope looks like. I have it packaged in here. I just put Happy Valentine's Day on the envelope, and then a cute little heart, like a stamp. It says love. So then when I give it to her, I just put it inside. And yeah, that's the card, you guys. And I think it turned out super cute. And they're super easy to make, you guys. You just cut your little 5x7, 4x6 card, and you just start layering with your papers. This is another one that I might make. I might add a different pattern on top, and then another little cut apart, and then of course decorate my envelope, one for my daughter and one for my wife. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to check out Ara's video and see what card she made for her hubby. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Have a great Valentine's Day, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.